packed with a plethora of information and so valuable for ourselves and for our people.
The world will be a better place when we stop trying to fix people and leverage their strengths.
And how I can apply my strengths that are so unique to my company's purpose statement. Fantastic, really a great paradigm shift in my mind for how to move forward with my company.
Practical tips and actual things that we can use in our coaching starting today. So helpful.
Walked away with the importance of moving away from the numbers connected to employee engagement to focusing on the story behind the needs of the people.
The reminder that we're human and it's important to foster a sense of belonging where many of us can thrive, have trust, and perform.